Eminent Karbi writer Chitra Kumar Bey passes away. Youths from Rongchingdon organized cleanliness drive at Amlong Hanging Bridge. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansapi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a very sad news that has come on Monday morning, eminent Karbi writer and lyricist Chitra Kumar Bey had passed away due to illness. The news has shocked Karbi Anglong, and people are grieved heavily on the loss of yet another man associated with literature and culture. Late Chitra Kumar Bey had been a very active cultural activist and a man of literature. He had authored several books and contributed his poems and stories in various magazines published from Karbi Anglong. He had been very closely associated with the Karbi Lamedamai, the Karbi Literary Apex body, and had even served as the General Secretary and Vice President posts of the organization. He was appointed as the Chairman of the Karbi Lamed Trust in the recent annual conference of Karbi Lamedamai. He was also the founder advisor of Jambali Literary Foundation and had also been very supportive to the youth organization. He was also a member of the Karbi Language Development Board as well as the Karbi Cultural Society. Late Chitra Kumar Bey was an employee of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and had served his post in the most honest way. Many people lovingly know him as the owner of Beirun, the famous rent house of college-going students in Diphu. Many of his songs have been featured in Karbi films like Hem Amihi, Kapanglar, and many more. He breathed his last at Hayat Hospital, Guwahati. People of Karbi Anglong have paid condolences for the departed soul. His last rites will be performed today. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to retrieve the culture and tradition of the tribal people, the Ministry of Cultural has taken up steps to encourage the youths to participate in cultural activities. Several tribes in India are seen to have begun to lose their cultural traits and interest in traditional dances and songs in this modern world. Thus, the Government of India has launched the Guru Shishya Parampara scheme to teach the traditional dances and songs to the younger generation. Under the Guru Shishya Parampara scheme for the year 2020, launched by the Government of India, Dhireshwar Ronghang, an active Karbi cultural activist of Kamrup Metro who had been selected as a guru, had started to teach traditional Dimoria Karbi dances to youths during this lockdown period. This is being done under the government's initiative to protect and promote the culture and tradition of the tribal people of the country. The program is being undertaken by the Eastern Zone Cultural Center, and it began from 2nd week of July 2020 to March 2022. Under this program, an eminent teacher will teach 8 students for 21 months period. Dhireshwar Ronghang is conducting his classes at Sonapur Hills. The young trainees or Shishyas are undertaking the training in Domahi dances to begin the training. Dhireshwar Ronghang said that more forms of dances and songs will be taught in the days to come. Nituraj Ronghang's report from Sonapur, Karbi Anglong Live. Realizing the importance of looking after the taking care of the public properties given by the government, the local youths of Rongchingdon Hamran had on Sunday organized a cleanliness drive at Amlong Hanging Bridge. Here is a report from our Hamran correspondent. The hanging bridge at Amlong River on the road between Hamran and Phongjangroi under Hamran MEC constituency is a major place of recreation and picnic. Hundreds of people come here to pass their time and enjoy the scenic beauty of the place. With an aim to promote the place and keep the surrounding clean, the youths of Rongchingdon under Ward Number 4 of the Hamran Municipal Board came forward and carried out cleanliness drive. The team was led by the youth's president Jacques Ronghang and secretary Vaisong Rongpar. They were accompanied by Jenson Ronghang, Bidyasing Ingti, Jogot Tokbi, Birson Ingti, Joyram Terang, Regina Ronghangpi, 85 other young boys and girls. The Hamran Lamb's chairman Joy Ingti, Komal Ronghang, and Ramsing Ronghang were also with the youths to supervise and motivate them. Daniel Inghi from Hamran, Karbi Anglong Live. The Korkanthi BJP Mandal Committee on Monday formed booth committees for the Kangthi Langso and Tekelangjun polling station, left and right wing. The program was held at Malongari Cleared Up LP School. The program was chaired by Branch President Ranjit Teron, and the felicitation and introduction of guests was done by Kangthi Langso polling station President Sarsing Tiso. Korkanthi MAC and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Raju Tiso, BJP Korkanthi Mandal President Dolo Ingti, Secretary Chandra Ingti, Gram Kendra in charge Prodip Rangpi, Chandra Ingti, and several other party members were present in the program. It was informed that the booth-level committees had been formed to strengthen the party at the grassroots. During the program, EM Raju Tiso said that the party members must visit village to village and talk with the people to know their pains and troubles, and also inquire about the status of the works done by the BJP under Jan Sankalp. He also expressed his positive thoughts about the party's yet another victory in the upcoming Assam Assembly elections.
First round to claim lo kasi ako puto itong pan district state na central to ako hukum ng pitulo noon ito dono sa mo ko biyang ako hindi niya ako itong claim sinang ko
naso dono hukum ko public election ng pagme Denverly mane ekam masi election pa ini apo si public election si ane kong do ra kong se kong do pala mi ko Mane dam ngi jui dam nai ki than dam nai
Samsung Inti from Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.